beautiful people. So today was supposed to be evangelism for our ladies, um, the all girls school. But apparently, some other guys too who do something as similar as we do. They've already been allocated to that school, so it means that we have to come back next week. So it means this Friday I'm free. I will not be going for evangelism, but I have a class by 8 a.m. and this is, I think it's already 8 or past 8 already, but rain started falling. So who am I to attend the class? But luckily the class has 2 batches, so it means I can go for the second batch. And I just finished my devotion, so let me share with you what I learned or what I have gained. So I'm currently studying Second Peter and I'm in chapter 2. I'm just going to sum it up real quick. Simply, Second Peter was Peter, just simply asking believers to be discerning. Talked about false teachers, how God judges. He sees both the wickedness and the righteousness of people. And also so basically Peter was just he was just admonishing believers how that we should be very discerning and not allow people who term themselves to be spiritual leaders come and take us out of what we believe, because they can come in disguise basically, right, and tell you how that this is this, but at the end of the day, once you look at it or once you're discerning, you can see that this is not what scripture talks about. They basically take God out of it and then just use their corny ways to pass across whatever they want to pass across. So it is very important that we are discerning. And he also proceeds to talk about how that God judged Sodom and Gomorrah, judged during the time of Noah, judged them, how Lot was saved for being righteous, even if others were destroyed and all of that. And then the ending part proceeds to talk about how that this confirms the proverbs that says that the stuff about dogs returning back to their vomit and pigs returning back to their muddy environment and all of that. So that part simply means that people, you can see people outward behavior, but you don't know because their hearts has not been fully transformed, and most of the times they go back to their sinful nature and all of that. But basically, all in all, let's ensure to be very discerning, not be part of the wicked ones that God will judge at the end of the day, but the righteous ones. And then we should endeavor to be truly transformed, not just outwardly, but inwardly too. So today's vlog is going to be very different, since I'm not going to the school I was supposed to go to, but I will still find something to do. I'm not going to wait for something super interesting before I post. So basically, rain is still drizzling and I have to use an umbrella. I don't like raining season, but what can I do? So my class is by 10 a.m. This is currently 9:43. The venue is not so far. Hopefully I make it before 10. So you're coming along with me.
Calm and sweet, don't you run from me. I wanna know you within. Whatever you ask of me is a prophecy that I will fulfill. Don't believe me, just watch. I could love you to full. Don't underestimate me. Ain't no price I ain't willing to pay. All of your little fears, cast all your little kids. cast all your burdens on me. You're bright as the sun, you're blue as the sky, don't leave clear as the day. Your situation's more perfection, oh, you're like heaven to me. Hold me, love me, dream about me. Live alone, live but don't live without me. 'Cause when I'm lost in your love, don't you find me? 'Cause I need your soul special to me. Say the words, won't you? Say, honey, I love you. Say the words, won't you? Say, honey, I love you. Say the words, won't you? Say, honey, I love you. Oh, honey, I love you. Honey, I love you. Oh, your focus on me. I've got it jealousy. Oh, in these four arms or in these four walls, I'll bring you close to me. Love's a machinery, assembled to hold or rebuild. All day long, you know, life long got me. Don't underestimate me. Little price I ain't willing to pay. All of your little fears, cast all your little kiss, cast all your burdens on me. You're bright as the sun, you're blue as the sky, don't leave clear as the day. Your situation's more perfection, oh, you're like heaven to me. Hold me, love me, dream about me. Live alone, live but don't live without me. 'Cause when I'm lost in your love, don't you find me? 'Cause I need your soul special to me.
So I'm done with my class for this morning. The next one is in the afternoon. I was initially thinking of going to the library to renew my library card, but I'm too tired, so I just decided to head back to my hostel. So I guess this will be the end of today's vlog. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.